What is up, Froden boys? Coming back at you again today. Just a quick video. So I was on my computer just looking through the comments on the last on one of the videos we did with the ZX10, and I saw a comment on the video that it was by Travis R6. It says, "Killing the top end with that gearing. Better to do down one front, stock rear." So, as you've seen, it's still really fast. You know, on a 600 I could definitely see how down one up two, which is what we have on the ZX10, would make it slower. I've seen it on YouTube and stuff, people doing it, and it's making their bike a lot slower. But you got to realize this is a 1000, it's a liter bike. It's insanely fast. If anything, it just makes it a lot easier to pop wheelies. Here, I'll show you a third gear wheelie right now. So there was a wheelie or two. You know, it gives the bike a lot more of that low and mid-range torque that it needs. With the stock gearing, you know, sure, I could get close to up to 200 miles an hour, but where am I ever gonna do that in the city? I don't have a death wish, and you know, popping wheelies and stuff is more what the Froden Boys is about, you know. Before we get going, I want to give a huge shout out to a gentleman from the United Kingdom, from England, named Adam Stratford. If you're watching, Adam, I really appreciate all the comments that you've left for us. Keep doing what you're doing, man. Adam has got a super awesome Daytona 675R. It's one of the bikes that I've never ridden, but I've wanted to try it out just because I've heard so many good things about it. But yeah, thank you very much, Adam. Everybody, if you're watching this video, go check out Adam's videos. He has a lot of raw, uncut clips. I know a lot of people like that, of him riding his Daytona. It's got tons of upgrades and stuff on it. So go give his channel a follow and check it out and everything. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this has cleared up a thing or two about the final drive ratio on the ZX10. It's still fast as balls, don't worry. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.